How's it going, YouTube Nation? This is Boss Man with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. I have a billy goat vacuum cleaner. I repaired it yesterday. It needed a little bit of carburetor work done to it. So now we are going to see how strong it is by sucking up this strip of leaves. Let's get started. Here we go. Well, that worked pretty good. All right, so here we have a Billy Goat K-Series vacuum. As y'all can see, it sucks it up from this point, goes through the impeller that mulches it up, and on the exhaust side, it goes through here into the bag attachment where all your mulched leaves get collected in here. And when you empty it out, you twist these little tabs and everything comes out from the rear. Now let me go ahead and empty out the bag and I'll show you how this handheld attachment operates. All right, I just got finished using the main vacuum part. Now I'm going to use the hose suction. I had to have my bottom vacuum plate off to use my main suction. In order for your hose suction to work, you have to have this vacuum plate on whenever you do get ready to operate. All right, I got my assistant here to help me. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Here we go. I'm Rogers with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. Y'all don't forget to check out the affiliate link below for this Billy Goat vacuum cleaner. Until next time, God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Go be blessed, my friends. Like and subscribe.